Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right, another installment from Mike's Sandwich Shop. We got lettuce, we got Colby, Jack cheese, and cheddar. 2 big slices of Italian bread. And we've got red wine vinegar, olive oil, and some mayo. That's it. This is a vegetarian sandwich. It's a take on an Italian sub, loaded with oil and vinegar, a little mayo for sticky, and just lettuce and cheese. I just described it, now I'm gonna make it for you. Check it out. All right, we're gonna start off with some vinegar. This is red wine vinegar. Soak it up. As you can see, I do love my vinegar and oil. This is some nice olive oil. Put that baby on. All right, we started up there. Take a big slice of Colby, cheddar, and we're gonna put the cheddar here. There we go. Why is there mayo here? For sticky. Now here's the lettuce, guys. Pile it on. You can add tomatoes, onions, pickles. Guess what? I don't have any. It's winter here. Guess what? More red wine vinegar. More olive oil. You see it, guys. Little pepper. Okay, here's the flipperoo, guys. Look at this monstrosity. Beautiful. Look at that. That's gorgeous. I'm gonna try for the old sliceroo here, guys. Ready? There's the reveal. All right, let's get a close-up, then a big bite. All right, there's the close-up of that monstrosity. Now for a big bite. Can't wait. All right, there you go, guys. You saw it, it's beautiful. You know what's in it. Now it's gonna be in me. Let's just see if it's possible to take a bite like a gentleman. First thing that hits me is that vinegar. Olive oil brings a calming presence. The mayo, a little sweet to keep it together, and you taste that cheese. And this is a lot of bread. Delicioso. Exactly what the doctor ordered. Now you may want to cut the bread a little less thick, but everything else works. Sweet Babu. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 and all my socials. Spread the word. Till next time, peace.
Live life 365.
That's what he said. That's what happens. Oh yeah, he likes a lot. Still running? It is. Oh my goodness. Maybe add a pickle? Maybe. Maybe it does need a pickle. Here's your pickle right here. I got your pickle right here. Baba.